What's up, guys? DirtTrackDual here. Check it out. Let's see if we can get her to fly the right way. Of course, the wind's gonna stop when I'm trying to. There it is a little bit. DirtTrackDual flag. Thanks to Matt. He got those made up for us. Go ahead, Riot, whatever your name is. Ooh, sounds a little rough. So we do have a belt video coming. It was supposed to be sooner, but the belt's not here. So I decided to mess around with the little 50 here. Honda's XR50 has been the same. Seems like forever. We're having carb issues, so I actually, this is the original OEM one. I already took it apart, looked at the jet. It's actually, oh, you can see, I seen light through there for a second. Cleaned it out, you can see through it. So I'm gonna try putting this guy back on. This is in a little bit of rough shape and bull. So we will try to clean this out. And I'm gonna take this carb off and then put the OEM one back on here and see if we can get this thing to fire up. So, be back soon with you guys. DirtTrackDual out. What's up, guys? All right, so I pulled the carb that was on the XR50 off. See your throttle cable there? Check this out. As soon as I took the float bowl off this thing, which doesn't look bad. Well, yeah, it does now that I'm looking past the camera. Notice anything down here? That fell right out of that port next to the jet. So I guarantee you, this is one of the issues with why this wasn't running right. Which I don't trust that, with that falling out like that. If it was already out of there, which I think that needs to be flipped around. Yeah. Yeah, I don't really trust that. So, yeah, it's not even going in anyway. So, you can see that one on the original. So, I'm going to try to put this one back together and see if we can get this 50 to fire up. Alright, be back. I got to put the float back on. It's pretty gummed up in the other video I believe I showed you. We'll take a look and then put it together, put it back on, see if we can get this bike to fire. Yeah! Neat.
There's nothing new about me. I'm just the guy.
He's gonna try to put up on the Simpson bar a penny with a brad nail gun.
Hold on. There we go.
T for Tommy.
That's right.
And for going through your finger.
Hold on. Where do you want it?
Wherever it doesn't leave blood droplets.
Right here.
Geez.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, you better. Oh, see. Did that work? Oh, no.
Get the aftermath. Milwaukee. Probably should have used the DeWalt.
He doesn't know that's a Bauer, but we won't tell him that. All right, here we go. Original carb is back in. We're gonna try a fresh startup. Lights on. Here we go. Ready? There we go. We got her. XR50 carb rebuild. We did it.
Here we start.
Get out of here.